Hi, everybody. It's Anita Foster with the American Red Cross. Unfortunately, speaking to you today from a small town in Texas named Granbury that has been absolutely devastated by a deadly tornado. I'm with my colleagues, Ray and Alan, who are conducting damage assessment throughout the areas, just trying to help the Red Cross get our arms around what families are going to need. Now, Ray, I know you're a national responder. You've been all over the country, but we stand in your backyard today. How does it feel for you to be here?
Well, it's personal. Alan and I know a lot of these people. We can walk by a house and we know the kids' names. They know our names. And I live 5 minutes from here. So when we heard it, we'd actually taken a hit last night. We're all out the door.
Now, Alan, I know you too have been all over the country, but you've also been all over this neighborhood this morning assessing damage. What are you finding?
It's really scary because a lot of the houses have nothing remaining but the slabs on them. And like Ray was saying, we know these people and we don't really know for sure how they're doing. So it's very scary for us.
It is definitely. I know one of the things that people can do if you can't find your loved ones is go to our website at redcross.org and click on our Safe and Well link. We hope that everyone that is unaccounted for is fine and safe. So check that link if you're still looking for someone. And to everyone out there who is supporting the Red Cross, making sure that we're able to respond here and other disasters across the country, we thank you sincerely on behalf of all of the people here in North Texas.